Example problem 11 reads, how many moles are in 6.0 times 10 to the 3 particles of beryllium, Be? So we're told that we have 6.0 times 10 to the third atoms or particles of beryllium, and we want to convert to moles. This is a one-step conversion, so draw your multiplication symbol, draw your division bar, bring atoms of Be to the bottom, and moles of beryllium go to the top. So in 1 mole, there are always 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So atoms cancel and we're left in moles. So in your calculator, you'll type 6.0 times 10 to the third divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and you will get 9.967, so 9.97 times 10 to the minus 21 moles of beryllium. Let me know if you have any questions with example problem 11.